If you are holding ZBCN right now, the next 72 hours could change everything. Kraken listing confirmed for October 15th. SEC just gave Defi projects the regulatory green light, and smart money, they are positioning hard. I am going to break down exactly why ZBCN holders are about to win big, the 3 catalysts happening this week, and what you need to know before it is too late. Let us dive in. First, let us talk about the elephant in the room, the Kraken listing dropping October 15th. That is in 3 days. Now, why does this matter? Kraken is one of the top 5 centralized exchanges globally. When a token gets listed on Kraken, 3 things happen immediately. Number 1, massive liquidity injection. Kraken brings institutional-grade trading volume. Number 2, price discovery. New buyers who only trade on centralized exchanges suddenly have access. Number 3, credibility boost. Kraken has strict listing requirements. Getting approved signals legitimacy. Look at historical data. When similar DeFi payment tokens listed on major exchanges, we saw average pumps of 30 to 80% in the first week. ZBCN is currently trading with momentum. The Kraken listing could be the catalyst that breaks resistance levels. Now here is the catalyst most people are sleeping on. On October 1st, the SEC provided clarity on Defi projects. And guess what? ZBCN is not classified as a security. This is absolutely massive. For years, crypto projects lived in regulatory limbo. One tweet from the SEC could tank a project overnight. But Defi infrastructure projects like Zebec Network just got the green light. What does this mean for ZBCN holders? Institutional money can now flow in without legal risk. Exchanges can list without fear of enforcement actions, and developers can build without looking over their shoulders. This removes the single biggest barrier to mainstream adoption. While everyone is focused on price action, smart money is paying attention to regulatory clarity. This is the foundation for long-term growth. Third catalyst, the token unlock happening October 16th. Now I know what you are thinking. Token unlocks are bearish, right? Not always. Let me break down the numbers. On October 16th, 109% of total market cap unlocks. That is approximately $4.2 million USD. Here is why this is actually bullish. First, the unlock percentage is small. We are not talking about a massive supply shock. Second, early investors and team members who held through the bear market are now liquid. If they believe in the project, they hold. If they sell, it creates a dip that smart money accumulates. Third, this unlock happens right after the Kraken listing. New liquidity from Kraken can absorb any selling pressure. The market has already priced this in. Look at the price action leading up to October 16th. No panic selling, no FUD. That tells you holders are confident. Let us talk about current price momentum. ZBCN is up 19% in recent trading. But this is not just random pump and dump action. Volume is increasing. Social sentiment is bullish. And on-chain metrics show accumulation, not distribution. When you combine the Kraken listing, SEC clarity, and controlled token unlock, you have a perfect storm for upward price movement. Now, I am not giving financial advice, but I am reading the same charts you are, and the setup looks incredibly bullish. The key levels to watch: support is holding strong, resistance is being tested. A breakout above current levels with Kraken volume could send ZBCN to new highs. Now let me keep it real with you. Every investment has risks. Crypto is volatile. ZBCN could dump after the Kraken listing if whales take profits. The token unlock could create selling pressure if early investors exit. Macro conditions matter. If Bitcoin dumps, altcoins follow. And regulatory clarity today does not guarantee regulatory clarity tomorrow. My point is this: do your own research. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. And have a plan. Are you holding long-term? Are you taking profits at certain levels? Know your strategy before the volatility hits. So here is the bottom line. ZBCN holders have 3 major catalysts hitting in the next 72 hours. Kraken listing October 15th brings liquidity and exposure. SEC Defi clarity removes regulatory risk. Token unlock October 16th